Okay, Asiatique. It looks quiet. I don't know. This is, I think, a relatively new development in Bangkok, and it's we're gonna go find out. I don't know what it is, but go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. But I booked a hotel right across the street from us, so we're gonna see what it's like today and what it's like tomorrow. I think there's an entrance. Hello. Looks like it's all quiet right now. So maybe it's something that happens later. I'm gonna have to watch for pickpockets. I can see that they're everywhere. Joking, but okay, let's walk around and see. This place looks like it's gonna be really quiet today. You got MK restaurants, information booth. Looks like it's like Muay Thai Live, the stage. So it looks like they have maybe concerts and Muay Thai and Calypso, some kind of dancing, massage places. Huh. Probably be quite different at nighttime. Massages from 150. We also have these too. Those ones eat your dead skin cells. Hello. Lots of massage places. Huh. $39,000 to get a room with private sky garden. Okay. That's interesting. Massage exchange, you can change money here too. Okay, let me just see what the exchange rate is. Okay. All kinds of cool stuff. Massages. Okay, we're just gonna keep on walking. Looks like this is the place to come in the evening. So maybe tonight I can bring the video out again and see what it's all about. It definitely seems like somewhere worth spending some more time. It looks pretty cool, actually. Got a lot of restaurants and it's clean too. Hot pot, pho, Vietnamese. Huh. I mean, this is the middle of the day, so it's like 2:30 in the afternoon right now. So let's just see. I think I'll have to explore more at nighttime. But we'll just walk through it and hello. This would be the daytime one. I think at nighttime I'll be might be doing a few videos here. I just kind of wanted to see something different. This is quite quiet right here. I think when you get up here you can also take a boat. I'm sure you can because I saw it. Yeah, it must be quite lively at nighttime. All kinds of shops, warehouses. So I don't know, maybe they store things and sell things, so we're gonna keep on walking and then we'll see. Here you go. Okay, so we're gonna get to the waterfront in a second. Okay, let's see. So, plan of the city of Bangkok, Siam. Let's see where we are. So I guess everything at this particular time in history, which is hard to say when exactly. Huh. It's like Norway, Sweden, Borneo, Protestants, churches. So I guess all the foreigners would probably come along this river, and I guess they would write it in English, I guess. Plan of the city of Bangkok, Siam in 1903. Do a whole video right here. I'll come back and do that later. Let's conclude this one. So this one is another, let's see, town square. Okay. So you have all these, you have a lot of parking. Alright. Huh. Well, let's just go to the waterfront and then we conclude. And then I might do that 1903 video next. Yeah, it looks like you can take some waterboat taxis right over there. So might do that later. I think there's some over there too. Huh, pretty cool. These guys are working there. So yeah, it looks like you can also, I think I've also heard some of my friends was saying that, one of my friends was saying that there's some condos over on that side. Asiatique riverfront, okay. So this is the Asiatique riverfront. We're gonna conclude this. This is already at 6 minutes. I don't want to go much longer than that, so. All right, I'm probably gonna do, there's a Ferris wheel in the background. Huh, interesting place. Another place worth knowing about. And we will conclude right there. Okay, so that I have some understanding of this area. This is Siam's first paved road from this land, I guess. Introduction, okay. Commercial district. I'm in a trading post, okay. This is 1884, 1894 tram line, 1894. World's Buddhist discovered in 1935, okay, 1907, okay. So I guess the part I want to get to right here is, where's it at? Once a Japanese army base, now home to Riverfront Glory Reborn. So this in World War II, the Japanese took this land and they made a army base right here. So this whole place right here used to be an army base. So this is why it looks this way. Okay. Some sculptures. And now I understand the years too, so I guess they had different years. All right. So this one is Bangkok in 1903. Just gonna take a look and see what all it says here. So this is basically to overlook it. This is the river that goes right through the middle of it. There's some Watts, some Thai temples right there. So you can see all the stuff in English. There's another Watts. Printing office. East Asia Cemetery, okay. Sweden, Norway, Borneo, Protestants, church. Bangkok markets, okay, this is right up the river. Basically this is, I'm down in here somewhere, I'm not sure where exactly. And everything else is basically way up there, and then Bangkok is it's kind of the next spot up. And then all the backpackers would stay like way over off the map a little bit. Okay, pretty cool little space. So 2046. I don't know if there's a different year style in Thai or something. I'm not really sure. Okay. Pretty cool. So this is at the waterfront at Asiatique.